GG buys, boys, buys, buy, buy. Don't buy too high though, wait for a retracement. Which will happen, so be careful. What's going on, guys? What's going on? I'm good, bro. How you doing, man? Beautiful day. I'm gonna go get myself some snacks, some water, get ready for this live stream, and we'll start the breakdowns. All right, I'll be back in a second. Give me a second. No. I have this though. It's the one. It's the one I had at home. Guys, give me a second. Hold on. All right. So, GJ, right? GJ. There's two possible outcomes right now that could happen, right? If we're looking at 1 hour time frame, price is at a structure point, right? So buy confluences. Let's look at what confluences we have for buys. 1. Structure. Support. Price is at a support. How do we know that? Because previously it was resistance, resistance, support, support, resistance. Bam. Price is at a support. Number 2. Confluence number 2. Price settled exactly at a 78.6 Fibonacci retracement based on point A, point B. Now we have point C. Bang. 2 confluences. Confluence number 3. The trend is your friend. We are making higher highs and higher lows. Higher time frame is very bullish, right? You have one trend line here, right? That's one trend line. What you can do is another trend line here like this. See that? Something like that. So price is making higher lows. Every time it's making a higher low. So that's 3 strong confluences. Oh, there's 4 confluence. Price is at a daily support, right? See how this structure support. Price is now at that exact point in time. So we have now 4 confluences telling us GJ is about to buy. Now the only thing that is a little bit to me sussy about the buys is this. If you look at 4-hour time frame, right, both charts here. One, we have support could be used as resistance. We are now making you know, a bit of a bearish movement. And on the 4-hour Fibonacci, price broke the 61.8, right? It broke it. So now the next area of confluence would be 78.6, which is all the way down here. Now, if price breaks this daily support, it's going to 100% travel down to 78.6 to find some sort of support and move to the upside. But if the daily support holds, as well as 4-hour structure, see, if you look to the left, price is settling at this structure of 4 hours. See that? Bang, bang. So that is the only thing. That's why what I would personally do is enter a buy, but with a very small position, so that even if it doesn't work out and this does break the support, doesn't hold, then you're okay. It doesn't matter. But if it does hold, then you make money. That's why I have this here ready. We'll see how it plays out. Looking at the what do you call it? At the RSI, this was lower than this, even though this is lower than this, but this is higher here. So what that basically means, it's an RSI divergence. What it means is the momentum is getting picked up again. There's more buyers now coming to the market to push price up. Because when on the RSI price, the RSI is above the 50, it means there's more buyers in the market at that point in time than sellers. But when it's below, there's more sellers. So at this moment in time, there's still more sellers in the market. However, the momentum is coming in slowly but surely. That's why you find divergence, and usually divergence happens just before a reversal in the market. So I'm going to try and find an example for you guys. Right here, for example, look, this right here is right here, and this is this. See that? So watch. I'm the buyer. So watch. This one was higher than this one. This one is lower than this one. But the RSI, it's the opposite. This one is lower than this one. And then boom, divergence, sell. So that's how you use divergence. You kind of see it's just another extra like confluence basically. By the way, yesterday's trade, if you guys were here, another amazing. This is 3 for 3 now. 3 trades for 3. 0 losses on this pair. Last night, we took the sell. Bang. TP. Obliterated, bro. Demolished. Bang of a trade. If we held, we would have also been. But I never hold. I just take my profits and walk away, bro. I just take my profits and walk away. 1, 2, 3. Bangers. The sad part about this trade, it didn't take, I was sleeping. Yeah. This trade is what's pissed me off like tremendously, because I had 20 pip stop loss, right? And I had 121 pips take profit. Look at this. Like, how unlucky can I be? Fucking, I got stopped out for 15 pips. If you guys remember, when I first placed this trade, stop loss was above here. And then just before I went to bed, I looked at the pips and I was like, 50 pips? That's a lot of pips. I'm just going to move it above this high here. Obviously, went to bed. Price moved a little bit in profit. overnight while I was sleeping, came, stopped me out, and then boom. Literally straight line to TP. Like, I couldn't be more unlucky than this. I'm sorry. This is just sad and upsetting to watch. But at least something is paying, right? Which is this one. At least one pair is paying. We're not just losing. So yeah, that's a little bit of a recap from yesterday. Also, I remember yesterday somebody told me he wants to buy gold. So whoever you were, I feel sorry for you, because price did the same exact thing to you. Stopped you out and then moved in profit. This is why I say, look at the time, 6 o'clock London time. That's coming into London. Yeah, no, you must always use stop loss. Don't be fool. Look, that's why I said, do not trade gold in Asia. It will, like, look, this shit doesn't. If you waited for London's time, you would have took this trade. Beautiful TP, straight to take profit. But if you trade a non-Asia pair in Asia, it's not always gonna work out. Like, it may work out sometimes, but not always. So be careful. Anyway, I've been saying it for a very long time. Gold will eventually hit 1650 level. That's the TP, final TP down there. And of course, if you've also been here every day, put on below stop loss. Bro, I put on below stop loss. So did it work for you? I don't know. Anyway, I've been saying that AUD USD is gonna hit 16. What was it? Yeah, 1660 level. And look where price is at. Look where price is at. I called it, man. I called it. But right now, I want to focus on GJ and focus on these buys. So the first area that I'm watching is that area right here. Oh, nice. Oh, that's good then. Amazing. But you see, the trade only went in profit London time. So being in the trade for the whole night, and then at the, you know, it's just, I guess it's better than missing out, is it? Either way. Either way. Let's see how this trade play out. I took profit. Okay, that's good, man. I'm happy. I'm glad it worked out for you. Perfect. I'm glad it worked out for you. That's good. I'm glad it worked out for you, bro. How's it? Bro, if we take this trade, that's the final take profit all the way up here. That would literally be like 700 pips. Insane. If you take an entry of one standard lot size, 700 pips, that's $7,000. Bro, you disappeared. Oh shit. My bad. It's possible? Bro, of course it's possible. If you take a buy, a standard lot for 700 pips, that's $7,000, I believe. 700 pips, $7,000. Yeah, because 10 pips is $100. So 700 would be $7,000. Yeah. More than what people make in half a year of work. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. About the, oh yeah, it will take some time, of course. It will take some time. Maybe not weeks. It depends on the market, really. It really depends on the market. Bro, why didn't you wait for like a little bit? No, if you're in drawdown, don't just close. What happens if the market decides to fly? You funny man, you just took a buy quickly. You didn't see where I took my buy? What buy? You took a buy too? What are your thoughts on Euro AUD? We'll break it down next. I'll go through Euro AUD next after this. Yeah, I'll break it down just now. Okay, I'm gonna clean this up because this is getting way too messy right now. All right. Price is at a support, as you could see. As you could see, if you know who I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. As you can see, sacrificial lamp. Anyway, this is price is at a support, right? So looking at the 4-hour point of view, we have support here, and we have resistance here. Okay. This could be another interesting point to buy as well. Prices at a support, prices at a Fibonacci level. You have some confluences aligning, of course. 15, 5. Oh, every time I see this trade, I just gives me headache, man. Gives me headache. So fucking annoying. It's like the money's there, but the money's not there. Make sense? That would have been so much money on my main. Okay. Euro JPY. Let's get it. So let's get it. Let's delete that trade so it doesn't hurt anymore. So price is at a support, as you could see. Price is at a support. You have to be aware of this resistance level. Price is at a support, right? On the daily time frame, simple. Price is at a support. 4-hour time frame. Is bearish. However, because we're at a daily support, look at this. Look at this. Almost. So we have this support here for hour, and we also have this resistance. So now, looking at the 1 hour point of view, look, rejected, bang, nice strong bullish candle, closing above, retesting that daily support, and we're looking into buys. So looking at the Fibonacci level, we have point A, point B on the daily. Price made a market structure, a higher low at the 78.6 and traveled to the upside, rejected 100%, came down. It's making another, some sort of a retracement on the daily, right? And about to hit to final TP 147. Now looking at the 4-hour Fibonacci, point A, point B, price is yet to settle at one specific price. So that's also one of my concern, is that we may see another drop to 61.8 unless price closes above the 50%, retested it, and then go up from there. So looking at the 1 hour fib, 1 hour fib is pretty much the same as my 4 hour. We're looking at a close above the 50 level here. Let's see what happens. Just gonna watch the 4 hour. Yeah. Before we continue, I want to break down actually the yen basket, right? Because breaking down the yen will help us understand where these pairs are going and how is this yen basket performing against a majority of pairs. It's like the dollar index, but this is the yen. So when you understand what the yen is doing, we are gonna understand a little bit more. We'll have a better picture of where this pair is headed. So see how this is very interesting. Now price is now at a weekly resistance, right? Price is at a weekly resistance. Looking at it from the daily point of view, we have resistance here, and price just rejected this weekly resistance a little bit. But if you look at the bullish candle, it's not weak, it's a very strong bullish candle, right? See this one? Very strong bullish candles to the upside, meaning buyers are in the market. Looking at it from a 4-hour point of view, look at that. So now we have a market structure here that price may be respecting. So look what happened here. Resistance, we mark that area up, price breaks, price retest, price goes to the upside. What happened? What's happening here? Look, we have the market structure same as here, right? Bang, price respected it here a little bit, reject, but then price settles at this level, at this market structure level. See that? Respects it, bang, strong, huge bullish engulfing, right? Amazing, cool. Now price is retesting this area, right, as support, and we are looking into a deeper retracement, at least to the 38.2 before price continues to the downside, right? So I do have a structure here that the 4-hour may travel to. So that's this now confirms my buys on GJ, because if this pair is heading to the upside, it's bullish. If the yen is strong, when there's two currencies, one is stronger than the other will drop compared to the stronger currency. So when this thing is bullish, it's buying. What do you think is going to happen to what do you think is going to happen to GJ? It's going to drop because the yen is strong. Same thing with the dollar. When the dollar is bullish, a lot of AUD, like this pair is very bullish, right? Dollar is very bullish. Look at AUD USD. Very bearish. Simple. But obviously you can't just take trade based off that. You have to like combine 100 things together. That's just the last thing you look at, basically. That's one of the last things you look at. Session, GJ, 1 hour. Yeah, let's see how this area holds this daily. $25 minutes for this hourly closure, and that's when we decide what happens. You made it look so easy, bro. It is easy. Well, it's not easy to trade, but it is simple. That's for sure. It's simple, but it's not easy. Also, once you get like experience and you've been doing it for a long time, you just simply get better at this shit. It's really like that. Yeah, dude. A lot of time, a lot of practice, a lot of hours put in. You know, just becomes like second nature type of thing. So we'll just have to wait now and see what price wants to do. Now, AUD/USD, I've been saying it for weeks now. If you go back on my stream, every day I've been saying it. Price is gonna hit to 66,000. And look where price is at. This fib, I've had it on since... No, I lie. Maybe it was from here. Like, I've had it on for a good amount of time. Don't remember exactly, but I've had it on for a good amount of time. Trust me. USD JPY buy. That's where price is headed. Look at this 20. Look at this TP negative 27%, exactly in the same area at this 4-hour structure. Point blank. So when you mark a structure like this, right? think of this area as a sell zone. Bang, you sell in this area and you take profit here. Simple as that. So somebody wants to see USD JPY buy. And here is why I do not agree with you, my brother. First of all, price is approaching a daily resistance, right? Simple as that. It tested it once, and look where the candle rejected. Look where the sellers came in, closed it all the way down, leaving a kind of a big wick. Now this new daily candle has just tested that same supply area / resistance area again, right? You have another area right here. Cool. And your next support is right here. That's your support. TP 145 500. Okay. 4-hour time frame. Look what's happening. When this candle closed above, it rejected the resistance / supply area. Price may even touch this before heading down, but look where the next candle closed, below the level, and this new 4-hour candle has just shot up to test this supply area / resistance, and probably on its way back down. Why? Because the yen is gaining some bullish movement right now. So when the yen is getting stronger, the USD JPY will probably drop against it. Look at that. I mean, if you can't see this when you're trading, look, you have structure. Price breaks, right? Price retest that area multiple times. Why don't you buy? Why didn't you buy from down here? Take profit up here, up here, up here. You have so many other stuff. I just don't trade this bit low key. But this shit is just like, it's, I don't know what to say. Like, it's just there. Like, look at this, bro. Look, structure, bang. Look how perfect this is. You have structure, you mark that area up, you wait for, you know, rejection, bang, rejection, bang, bang, bang. And then look here. Price exactly close at this level and then shoots up 100 pips. Oh my god, bro, look at this. Look how, look at the bodies. Look at the bodies closing exactly on the support line. I'm just too nasty with it, bro. I'm too smooth with it, man. Too smooth. Too fucking smooth with it. Do you guys prefer the green? Do you guys prefer the green and black or the blue and black? I kind of fuck with this low key. What do you guys think? Should we keep it green for tonight? Green for money, green for dollars. Did you trade FOMC at all? I don't trade news, no. It's gambling. If you trade news, you're a gambler. If you trade news, you're gambling. I don't care who you are, how good you are at trading. If you trade the news, you're gambling. Unless you have some inside information and you're getting inside information of where the currency is headed. Because there's no way on earth, not technicals, not fundamentals, not anything that tells you where price is going to go. It is a gamble no matter what. It's simple, bro. It's really that simple. If you trade the news, you're gambling with your money. Okay, green blacks. Okay, perfect. You can see the wicks. We'll keep it. We'll keep it. Chappelle Vora. Hi. Hello, my friend. Yeah. This is it. You ain't lying. I'm not, bro. I'm not. There's no way on earth you could tell where price is headed without insider information for the news. This is why swing trading is super insane. Okay, follow up, watch this, right? Let's say I'm a swing trader. I only look at the daily time frame, 4-hour minimum, right? And weekly, right? Watch this. Watch this. Right? Let's say I'm a swing trader. I identify point A, point B on Fibonacci. Right? I see the price is respecting 50%. I take a short position. Stops above. TP down here. Bang. 641 pips. 100 pip stop loss. You can make it 50. But for safe sake, let's say 100 pip stop loss to 600 fucking pip take profit. That's why swing trading is the most difficult, because it's psychology. Can you hold a trade from the 8th of January? We are now in the 22nd of September. Can you hold a trade that long? Bro, swing trading is so difficult. I don't care what anybody says. Like, you gotta be mentally fucked. Nah, that's a little bit harsh. You gotta be like super hard, like, I don't know, you gotta be just insane in the head to hold a trade for that long. That's just ridiculous, honestly. Super ridiculous. It's insane. It's ridiculous. To hold a trade for months. Nah. Would you be able to look at Euro Aud? Yeah. Wait. Well, you're not here. I literally just broke it down. I literally broke it down. Were you not here when I broke this down, bro? You see this mini bullish engulfing on the 5 minutes? That's called hope. That little bullish engulfing candle there on the 5 minute, it's called hope. Hope for the buys. Hope for the buyers to come in. You see this 1 minute bullish engulfing? That's more hope for buys. Still got some hope, boys. There's hope. See this? Oh, my bad. Price is slowly breaking above these moving averages one by one. Watch. On the 1 minute, we are above the 200 and we are above the 50. 5 minute, we are above the 21. Slowly. We're breaking above each and every trade, time frame by time frame. Crazy, because could have done a short long and other short on one trade and take retracement was a lot of pips. Can make money by not swinging. Bro, I have no idea what that means, what you're trying to say. I thought that was AUD USD. No, that's Euro. That's Euro USD. What the hell am I saying? That's Euro JPY. My bad. Imagine it comes down to this low here. That would be an insane entry low key. But nah, this 1 hour candle is gonna close above this green line. How much are you betting? How much are you betting that this 1 hour candle is gonna close above this green line? A lot of you probably say I'm crazy, I'm cracked. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see who's crazy. No, I was asking about Euro AUD. Ah, Euro AUD. Yeah, I'll look at Euro AUD. That one trade you said was a swing could make more by not swinging it. Retracement was a lot of pips itself. Lol. Okay, my brother, listen. You need to understand the risk to reward ratio sometime. I understand you could make more money buying and selling in the retracements and stuff, but you need to understand something, right? Every time you're in the market, there is a risk you're taking of losing that trade. Every time you enter a trade and you put a stop loss, there's a risk of you being wicked out. So would you rather enter one trade, just one risk, 1% risk, that makes you 600 pips, or would you rather risk God knows how many trades you're going to take throughout, and then each trade is going to be 1% risk, 1% risk, 1% risk? Like, do you know what I'm saying? Does that make sense? It does. Losing one is better. There's less risk. You're putting less risk and less pressure on your account. But when you enter a lot of position, you may get stopped out multiple times before the trade works out. But when you enter just one trade, you're only risking 1%, not 100. Because if you enter 100 trades at 1% each time, you literally risk your whole account if all of them were losers. This is looking like a short, my guy. This is looking like a short. Just watch how this 1 hourly candle close. You know, if it closes above, closes below resistance, just watch it. It's more. It's more. Yeah, yeah. No, listen, bro. Trading is just so subjective, right? You like there's a millions of ways to trade. There is not really a right way and a wrong way to trade. Just whatever that suits you, whatever that makes your boat sail, just go for it. You know what I'm saying? That's why, like, whenever people say, oh, I trade that, I trade head and shoulders, I trade trend lines, I'm like, whatever that makes you sleep at night, bud, you go ahead and trade. It's not that they're wrong or the way I trade is right or I trade wrong and they trade right. There's a millions of ways you can trade and they're all right. They're all correct. So yeah, whatever it is, man, whatever it is. Whatever. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, holding a trade for a couple of months is really difficult, especially when you imagine you're holding a trade, right? And you look at your phone and you're up $500. You're like, nice. You come back the next day, you're only up $100. It retraced. You leave it. The next day, you're up $100. The next day, you're up $300. The next day, you're up $600. You see 600, you're like, I can close this right now and have $600 I didn't have before. So it's all about the psychology. It's all about, like, should I close? Should I hold? Anyway, bro, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Oh, look at that. Look at that, boys. Look at that, boys. Look at that. Look at the rejection. Who wanted to buy? Who was buying? I feel sorry for you if you're buying at... If you buy high, like, you must sell high and buy low. You don't buy high. Look at the rejection, bro. Look at the bearish engulfing. This shit's gonna drop, man. I'm telling you. Okay, if GG breaks here, that's my next target. If TJ breaks these two supports, that's my next target down here. That's a nice zone to take a trade from. That's like 100 pip move. But if these two support holds, then we should see buys up to, yeah, at least up to somewhere there in this area, 100%. Do you trade London or New York? Neither. Age session. Entry from here? You good? You seem stressed. Why would I be stressed? I just sometimes zone out. I be thinking about a lot of shit. No, why would I be stressed though? Hope all is good. Yeah, all is good, man. All is good. All is good. Nicely done. Okay. Let's see. Okay. actually need another monitor, dude. I need 3. So I could use this. 2 is not enough. Just busy editing a YouTube video for you guys. It's just a little bit difficult to see chats as well as the charts as well as the editing. On Veg, hello my friend, hi. Please, how can I do it as well? Do what exactly, my friend? I don't know what you're talking about. All right, that's done. That is done now. Look at that. AUD completed. 66,000 done. Smashed. Wow, man. Sheesh. It only took a few months, no big deal. getting sick like a fucking chicken. Sad. Dude, I don't know if these buys will be ready today. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't think I'll be ready today. Who was it that asked me to go through the entry 15-minute time frame, right? Okay, that's done. All right, what's going on, bro? One is you. fuck just happened? Did you guys see that? Holy shit, did you guys see what just happened? Both my screens just went black. Huh? Hello? Jeez, okay. usually drop too much, it's gonna bounce back, I think. Yeah, we do have this daily support here, so we'll see. I'm still bullish, but you know, we'll see how it reacts around this level here. Alright, video's edited and will be live tomorrow. No, it'll be live Saturday. Yeah, it'll be live Saturday. Yeah, that is it for me today, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Unfortunately, the buys didn't happen because just market's not ready, right? You just have to be patient and see. But definitely buys. Maybe London tomorrow. We'll see some buys. Yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow. What's tomorrow? It'll be Friday, last day of trading. Peace out. Bye everyone.